Hello friends, my name is Gaurav Lokhande and in this video we will be covering 9 key interfaces of collection. So without wasting your time and my time also, let's get started with our key interfaces of collection. So what are key interfaces of our collections are: first one is collection, second one is list, third one is set, and fourth one is sorted set, fifth one is navigable set, fifth and sixth one is queue, seventh map, eighth sorted map, and last one is navigable map, that is ninth one. These are our 9 key interfaces. So let's see our first interface, that is collection. Collection, uh, if we want to represent a group of individual objects as a single entity, then we should go for a collection. This first point means we have one colony, that is group, and in colony there are three objects. In first object we have stored a name, that is Gaurav. In second object Kunal. In third object Pranay. And this single object is our entity, single entity stored in a object named colony. This was our first point. Collection. Collection interface defines the most common methods which are applicable for any collection object. Means we have to do sorting. We don't have to create our own sort method. It is already available built-in function in collection framework. In general, collection interface is considered as a root interface of collection framework. Collection is a root interface of our collection framework. There is no concrete class which implements collection interface directly. It is a node. There is no concrete class by which you can use collection framework, not framework interface. So let's see our second interface, that is list. List is the child interface of collection. As you are seeing, list is the child interface of collection. Here collection 1.2v means the version. 1.2v is the version of Java. Collection came in 1.2 version of Java. List also came in 1.2 version of Java. Array list also came into 1.2 version of Java. Linked list also came into 1.2 version of Java. Vector also came into 1.0 version. But vector came from legacy classes. What are legacy classes? The classes which are came already in 1.0 version, and they are known as legacy classes. Here under list there are three interfaces are available: array list, linked list, vector. Okay, let's move to our second point of list. If we want to represent a group of individual objects as a single entity, here duplicates are allowed. In the list we can preserve duplicates, like you can store Gaurav, Kunal, you can store. But here insertion order is preserved, like first I had inserted Gaurav, then Kunal, then Pranay. It will be stored like Gaurav, Kunal, Pranay, not like this. Ga- I had stored Gaurav, Kunal, Pranay, and the output is Gaurav, Pranay, Kunal, not like this. Okay, third one is set. What is the first point? It is the child interface of collection. Here collection came from 1.2 version. Its child is set 1.2 version. Under set has set 1.2 version, and linked has set 1.4 version of Java. Okay, let's see the second point. If we want to represent a group of individual objects as a single entity where duplicates are not allowed. Inside you cannot store duplicate objects. Okay, and here insertion order is not preserved. I had told in the previous slide that insertion order in list insertion order is preserved, and but in the condition of set insertion order is not preserved. I had given the output of Gaurav, Kunal, Pranay. It can give me the output that Kunal, Gaurav, Pranay, like this. So here insertion order is not preserved. Let's see the difference between list and set. Difference between list and set. It is the most common question in Java interview questions. What are the differences between list and set? So let's see list. In list, duplicates are allowed. You can store duplicate values, but in case of set, you cannot store duplicate values. In list, insertion order is preserved. Here order spelling is wrong. Please make sure you don't make the mistake. Insertion order is preserved. Here insertion order is not preserved. I had told you in the previous slide also. Okay, I hope you understand these three key interfaces of collection in Java. I hope I will further make the full video shortly. I hope you like the video. Please press the bell icon and share and access the full playlist.